Please go to the description box and comment box to copy the all question for part 1 and part 2. 19. Please read the scenario for the answer the question. You are serving the lead enterprise architect and another supplier. In the automotive industry, the company headquarters is Cleveland, Ohio, with manufacturing plants across the United States, Brazil, Germany, Japan, and South Korea. Question answer is C. Technology independent data trustee, commercial management is everybody's business, IT responsibility, responsive sales management. Question 20. Your role is that the lead enterprise architect working in the headquarters of a percent the same manager over 7,500 restaurants across the 33 countries. Each restaurant in the same is an independently owned and operated franchise. The answer is A. You purpose that the target architecture is defined first by going through the architecture definition phrase B2D. This is because the initial study identifies the need to sense. This will ensure that the sense can be defined in the structural manner. Answer 21. You have been assigned the role of event project for a manufacturer firm that specializes in the musical instrument. The firm has been established over 100 years ago, operating in North America for most of the time. In the last 10 years, the firm has expanded into the European market and will soon establish a market in Latin America. In this section, the team should use the business information reading assessment technique to identify the factors that would influence the successful introduction of the architecture into the organization. Question 22. The ABC company is the prior constructor for the Tesla named a spacecraft Togaf. Over the course of the contract, the company has grown rapidly by the acquisition and has inherited numerous different. For this question, answer is C. In earlier iteration of the evaluation document, the describe the target architecture with the business service function catalog and an organization for active catalog. The respective business key with the data lifecycle diagram, target application architecture, application interaction metrics, business target data architecture. So, question 23. Each business is performed by integration between the headquarters and the business unit in the and the financial information. For the question says D, we recommend the admission statement for the company and each of its business together to the corporate value statement. Based on that, you will work with the architecture board to define the principles. 24. We are the lead architects for a firm that manufacturing ball bearing using the industrial equipment application. They are manufacturing operations benefited in United States, Germany, and the United Kingdom. For this question, there is B. You recommended that the architecture team incorporate the process modeling and the governance extension into the tailored content matter model. This is suitable as this is a significant IT service since that will impact its operation model. This will ensure that the specific entities and attribute that will allow the model